Hey everyone, it's Karen, your traveling reporter. Our company supports the annual American Heart Association Community Walks. It's a great way to give back and to do something healthy for yourself. This year, the Heart Walks are virtual, and to help kick off this heart healthy event is a grilling demo that's quick and easy from our very own Chef Edward Bailey.
Today we're grilling up one of my favorite omega-3 powerhouses, salmon. I'll blacken the salmon and pair it with a vitamin mineral fiber and flavor-packed mango salsa and grilled vegetable skewer side. I'm going to kick up the salmon with a homemade blackened seasoning. Making the blackened seasoning is simple. You just start with a container with a sealable lid and a few spices and you're ready to go. Simply sprinkle the blackened seasoning generously on the salmon. Next, spray your salmon with a good quality pan spray. Place your salmon on a hot grill at 10 o'clock. While the salmon's on the grill, we're going to mix up our mango salsa. And you are ready to mix. After 2 minutes, turn your salmon to 2 o'clock. After 2 more minutes, you're ready to flip your salmon. And after 2 more minutes, we'll turn it to 10 o'clock and you'll be ready to serve. Next, take your salmon off the grill. And finish with your homemade mango salsa. And there you have a full platter for you and your guests that is packed full of flavor and heart healthy as well.
Thanks, Edward. That looks delicious. I might have to work that into my dinner rotation this week. If you want to learn more about a virtual walk in your area, visit the American Heart Association website. You can find that at heart.org and by searching Virtual Heart Walks. I'm going to head out on my daily walk, but thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy, everyone.